Hello fabulous ladies and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered why some outfits look incredible on others but seem to fall flat when you try to recreate them? You're not alone. The truth is, even the most stylish women can fall into subtle fashion traps that quietly undermine their elegant, expensive look. But don't worry, today we're uncovering 12 common mistakes that might be holding you back and, of course, how to fix them with ease. So grab your favorite drink, get cozy, and let's dive right in. Wearing the wrong colors. When it comes to creating a classy and expensive look, choosing the right colors for your clothes is absolutely crucial. But how do you know which colors will complement your natural beauty? A huge mistake many women make is wearing colors that don't match their skin tone. It can make your outfit look cheap or washed out, no matter how luxurious the fabric. The secret lies in understanding your undertone. Do you know whether you have a warm or cool undertone? This simple distinction can guide you to the perfect shades. Warm undertones tend to look better in earth tones like oranges, yellows, reds, and browns, as well as warm metallics like gold. On the other hand, cool undertones shine in shades like blues, greens, purples, and cool metallics like silver. For example, if you have a warm undertone, wearing a cool-toned blue might make you look a bit off, but if you add a warm accessory, you can still make it work. Think of it as knowing the base ingredients for a recipe and adding a few tweaks to make it your own. If you're not sure what your undertone is, take a look at the veins on your wrist. If they look more green, you're likely warm-toned. If they look blue, you probably have cool undertones. You can also try holding gold and silver jewelry to your face. If gold makes your skin glow, you're likely warm. If silver works better, then cool tones are your friend. Whether you're going for a rich jewel tone or a soft pastel, always keep in mind that the right color can instantly make you look more polished and put together. And let's face it, nothing says expensive quite like knowing exactly what colors suit you. What colors make you feel your most confident? Let's talk in the comments. Chipped nail polish. Ladies, we've all been there, sitting down for a coffee or attending an event when we catch a glimpse of our nails and realize that one is chipped. It's a tiny thing, but it can completely ruin an otherwise elegant look. Chipped nail polish is an easy mistake that screams, "I didn't finish my look." And no matter how expensive your clothes are, chipped nails will make you appear disheveled. The best way to avoid this? Regular nail care. Keeping your nails neat, trimmed, and polished will always elevate your appearance. If you're short on time or don't want to deal with the hassle of regular manicures, there are plenty of quick fixes, like at-home manicures or long-lasting gel polish. And when it comes to colors, a classic nude or pale pink is always chic and timeless. If you prefer something bolder, a rich dark red or a soft neutral beige is perfect for creating a put-together appearance. These shades complement any outfit and give you that polished, I have it together look. Bright neon colors can feel fun and youthful, but for a more elegant, expensive appearance, sticking to neutral or classic colors will always make you stand out in the best way. Carrying the wrong bag. Now, a bag is more than just a functional accessory. It's the finishing touch that completes your whole style. The wrong bag, however, can make your look seem rushed or disorganized, no matter how elegant your outfit is. When selecting a handbag, think about its size, shape, and condition. A structured, medium-sized bag made of high-quality leather is always the key to class. Look for one in a neutral color like black, navy, or beige, which will pair easily with a variety of outfits. Avoid overly trendy bags or those with excessive details, as they can easily clash with a timeless, classy look. A classic, well-crafted bag with minimal decoration tells the world you understand the power of simplicity and attention to detail. Wearing overly casual clothing. Sometimes we fall into the trap of dressing too casually when we should be aiming for a more polished appearance. This doesn't mean you have to wear a suit every day, but it's important to keep a balance between comfort and elegance. The key to an expensive look is how well your clothes fit and how thoughtfully you put them together. A perfectly tailored blazer or a well-structured pair of trousers will instantly elevate your style and make you look polished without being overdressed. Avoid overly casual or sloppy pieces like baggy t-shirts or sweatpants unless you're at home or running errands. Think about adding a tailored jacket or a simple sweater to your outfit to make it more put together. A simple, fitted dress in a neutral color can also work wonders in this case. Quality fabrics such as wool, silk, and cashmere make a huge difference in your overall look and can transform even a simple outfit into something expensive and elegant. The key is to dress in a way that feels effortless but still elevated. Your clothes should work with you, not against you. Too much accessories. Accessories are another fantastic way to personalize and improve your look, but the wrong accessories or too many of them can quickly overwhelm an outfit. An expensive style is built on restraint. Instead of piling on multiple necklaces, rings, or bracelets, go for timeless pieces that complement your outfit. A classic watch, a pair of delicate earrings, or a simple chain necklace can all work. Choose accessories that enhance your look rather than overpower it, and remember, less is often more when it comes to achieving a stylish, sophisticated look. If you want to make a statement, choose one key accessory such as a bold handbag, an interesting pair of shoes, or a statement necklace, and let it stand out. This approach creates a more polished appearance while still keeping the look interesting and dynamic. What's your go-to statement piece? Let's hear your style tips. Neglecting posture. Moving on, good posture is one of the simplest and most effective ways to instantly look more elegant and put together. Standing tall with shoulders back conveys an image of grace and sophistication, and it also reflects your inner confidence. Your posture has the power to transform your look, regardless of what you're wearing. A confident stance not only makes you look better, but also sends the message that you are comfortable in your own skin. Think about how a queen or a runway model moves. Every step is purposeful and careful. That's the kind of energy you want to bring into every room you enter. Do you make a conscious effort to stand tall, or is it something you overlook? Let me know your tips on improving posture. Ignoring the quality of fabrics. Now let's move on to fabrics. When you invest in clothing made of high-quality materials, it shows. The way fabric drapes, holds its shape, and feels against the skin can elevate your style in ways you may not have previously thought. A simple silk blouse or a tailored wool blazer has a timeless elegance that synthetic fabrics simply can't replicate. Going for well-made garments made of natural fibers like cotton, linen, and wool makes everything look 10 times more expensive. They not only feel luxurious, but they also last longer, which eventually makes your wardrobe more cost-effective. Fabrics that are too shiny or cheap-looking can make even the most stylish pieces look cheap. So, choose quality over quantity and watch your look transform from good to chic. Too much makeup. Makeup is yet another powerful tool to highlight your natural beauty and create an elegant, expensive look. But when it's overdone, it can ruin your look rather than improve it. As we age, the goal with makeup should be to embrace a more natural, radiant look that highlights your best features without masking them. Instead of a thick foundation and heavy contouring, aim for a light, even coverage with a tinted moisturizer or a lightweight foundation that doesn't settle into fine lines. Soft blush, natural-looking brows, and neutral tones on your eyes and lips can create the youthful, fresh look that we all want. A little goes a long way. Instead of dramatic eye makeup or dark lip liners, go for soft, neutral tones that complement your natural features. This subtle approach is not only flattering, but it also makes you look effortlessly expensive and polished. Footwear. Do you know what else can either make or break your outfit? Shoes. If you're wearing shoes that are too flashy, too worn, or just don't fit properly, they'll detract from your entire look. Classic styles such as loafers, pointed toe pumps, or sleek ankle boots never go out of fashion. These styles make everything look more elegant without being too fussy. Shoes that are too high or too trendy can make your outfit look forced, and discomfort will show in the way you walk. You don't need a closet full of shoes, but you should have a collection of high-quality, versatile options. Go for shoes that look expensive because of their sleek design and quality materials. Trust me, a classic pair of black leather pumps will always win over a pair of sneakers or overly casual shoes. Forgetting the details. Looking polished goes beyond your clothes. Small details matter. Well-groomed hair, tidy eyebrows, fresh breath, and smooth skin all contribute to your overall appearance. Before heading out, take a moment to assess your look in the mirror. Are there any loose threads, wrinkles, or minor adjustments that could elevate your style? Simple touch-ups can make all the difference in presenting yourself as refined and elegant. Overdoing the trendy pieces. Now, trendy clothing might seem tempting, but it's one of the fastest ways to make an outfit look cheap. Fashion trends come and go, and jumping on every new fad can easily make your style look cheap and basic. Instead of following every trend, invest in timeless, classic pieces that won't go out of style. A tailored blazer, a crisp white shirt, a well-fitted dress. These are the foundation of a wardrobe that looks elegant and expensive for years. Of course, you can still add a hint of trend here and there, but keep it subtle. Think of trends like accents rather than the main event. A classic outfit with one trendy accessory is the perfect balance between modern and refined. Ask yourself, does this piece feel more timeless or trendy? If it's the latter, reconsider whether it's worth adding to your wardrobe. So how do you incorporate trends into your wardrobe without letting them overtake your style? Let me know how you strike the balance. Wearing the wrong size. I know it's tempting to buy clothes that are just slightly too small or too large, especially if they're on sale, or if we want them to fit a certain ideal image. But when you wear clothes that aren't your size, no matter how great the piece is, it will never look truly stylish or expensive. This doesn't mean squeezing into a size that doesn't fit. It means understanding what flatters your body shape and finding pieces that complement it perfectly. Whether it's adjusting the hem on a pair of pants or going up a size for a more comfortable, elegant look, the fit is everything. Now that you know the mistakes to avoid to keep your look elevated and polished, it's time to fine-tune every detail. But what about your hair? It can either elevate your style or totally bring you down, especially as we get older. I've put together a video on common hair fails that can totally ruin your refined look. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.